many chickens. I know it's a bit insane of me to be outside, but I don't know, it's just really quiet, and it's like, wow. Oh, and sure, there's people, but it's only small amounts of people, and I quite like this. Like, if the world was like this every day, I could live with that. So anyway, all this, there's this dust storm in Sydney, and I don't think I've ever experienced a real dust storm. And everything looks really green, like anything that is green looks green. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but to me, I feel like that. And there's the sun, I think. Can't really see anything. What? Pigeons! Don't they look tasty? No, I've got chips. My lecture finished early, so I thought I might as well eat because my singing teacher always gets really annoyed that I come to class with a seagull. No, I don't come to class with a seagull. I come to class with an empty stomach, and then the whole time I'm breathing a lot and my stomach's grumbling. I really shouldn't be out here though because it's so dusty. I mean, that's why I've got this mask. That and it looks really cool, and you know, I haven't heard a lot about swine flu, so I haven't really had an excuse to wear it, but now I'm like, yeah! And I've got all these looks. Like, there was one lady who was walking along and just burst out laughing when she saw me. I thought, yeah, And then there was someone who, I don't know what that expression was. I don't know, can you hear me? I think so. There's a little microphone. What else? Yeah, anyway, this morning it was like the apocalypse because when we I woke up and Dad's like, hey, come and look at this, and outside it's all red, and he was telling me that there was going to be really bad traffic, there were going to be trees falling down because it's supposed to be strong winds, but it's not really windy at the moment, and then everything's going to be muddy. Everything is pretty much muddy, but I don't know if that shows up on camera because it's such a small screen, I can't see what you're actually seeing. We'll just look around for a bit. Yeah. But actually, traffic's been good, I think, because lots of people are staying indoors, so I don't have to worry. I gotta eat my chips! So yeah, give me a moment and I'll eat that, and then maybe I'll go inside, I don't know. Well, that was wonderfully salty. Really not healthy. What else can I talk about? Let's see. My mood's been really unstable at the moment. Especially like last night, I really was noticing I was feeling shit. But then suddenly I was like, yay, everything's fantastic and whatever. And then I felt shit again. And it's just been like that. And it's not just like feeling good and bad, it's other feelings as well. They're all like, ah! And so I don't know if I'm coming or going. I don't know what my opinions are because, I don't know, I think about stuff, and if I'm in a different mood then I think differently about it. And that's just really frustrating. Because I don't really know, I mean, sometimes I think, yeah, this is what I think. But then, nah, actually, I think it's this. But no! This other way is like, nah. I don't know. I'm not really wearing any black today. I've got blue jeans on and my hug shirt, my bright yellow hug shirt. But I've been compensating with jewelry and, you know, lace things and whatever. But just check the time. I've still got half an hour, oh my god. Anyway, yesterday I was in this park. Actually around the same time. This time yesterday. And Oh man, the mood I was in. I don't really know if I feel comfortable talking about that in the park though. I mean, I don't think any of these people passing by can hear me, but I can still see them. I don't know. I looked awesome yesterday. I had all red and stuff. Why was I feeling so... I don't know why I was... See, this is the thing. I do stuff, and then I think, why did I do that? I mean, it seems perfectly reasonable at the time, but later, I just don't understand. Anyway. I think I'll go inside, get out of this dust. That would be sensible. And now it's getting dark. I'm disappointed that the dust is gone. Oh, hello. Yeah, that was a bit awkward because I wasn't really listening. Oh my god, look at all these people. I'm still talking. Yeah, no, I wasn't really listening, and he's going someplace, and I said, oh cool, but it's not really cool, so I just have to justify that. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that there's no more dust. So I was hoping for a decent sunset. I know heaps of people have done dust videos today. They're on the news, all their YouTube clips. But, whatever. I don't have anything to say except stuff that I said in the park, which I don't even understand right now. So I suppose it's not just a dust video, but it kind of is. Anyway.